Hello guys, namaskaram. It's 6 o'clock in the morning and I'm cooking dosa for breakfast. This is a dosa with chammandi. My mother-in-law prepared the dosa batter last night. She also made the chammandi in the morning. What's my task, you asking? I cooked them in the pan and ate them. Dosa with chammandi is my least favorite breakfast dish. My favorite breakfast dish is idiyappam with any curry. That's it for today. See you next time. Bye!